Good afternoon, Century 21 agents. Just wanted to share with you how you can get some New Year's materials for your social media. So you're going to go into the Productivity Hub. For those of you that aren't familiar with 21 Online, you click on Menu, then you click on Productivity Hub, and it'll bring you to this screen. Then you can go down to any one of the Moxi tools. So I'm just going to click on Moxi Engage. And I'm going to access Moxi Engage. And that's going to bring us to the springboard, which lets us open the various Moxi tools. So I'm going to click on Moxi Impress. And once we get to Moxi Impress, we're going to create a new project. And it's going to be social media. And if you click on Search Design, there's one called New Year. And it's right there. So you can just go through. And if you preview it, this is what it looks like. So that's what it's going to look like. If you want to download it, you can just download it there. But that's pretty much how you can get the New Year one.